I didn't hear you.
Sir, we use drag and drop method.
Present in which class?
Actions class. Present in actions class.
Present in actions class. Yes. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Let me share my screen. Okay. Let me share my screen. 1 second. Give me a second. Okay. Okay. We'll start the session. 1 second. Let me check everyone is here or not. Okay. We'll start the session. Everyone is here. Yesterday we have done this. Okay. Handling mouse actions. Either what are the things we can do? I can do context click. Okay. I can do what? Drag and drop menu. I can handle drag and drop menu means what? Mouse over. Okay. I can do drag and drop and then I can do double click. These are the things I can do it by using what? Okay. By using actions class. Okay. There are few things. Okay. Scroll bar. Okay. How to scroll in Selenium? Actually, in Selenium, the reason why I have not teach you how to scrolling is in Selenium, no need of scrolling. For an example, let, let me open one application. Any application. Okay, let me go to selenium.dev. Okay, for an example, I want to click on download link of Java. Okay, I have to click on download link of Java. Okay, go to this website, download page of Selenium. Okay, go to the download page of Selenium. Then okay, then scroll down and click on this download link of Java. I want to click on this download link of Java. Here, no need of scrolling. In Selenium, every automatically it will do scroll. That's the reason I didn't teach you how to scroll. Okay. In Selenium, scrolling is not at all required. Okay, because automatically it will scroll. Selenium will do it is for an example, if I want to click on this link, if you give driver.find element, Selenium will scroll like this and then it will click. Okay, no need of scrolling. Okay, let us come back. Let us continue. So these are the mouse actions we're going to. Okay, we have learned yesterday. Context click means right click. Mouse over means what? Moving your mouse pointer, and then drag and drop. Double click also. Now today there is one small topic. Okay, in Selenium there is one small topic called frames. What is this frames? What is this frame? We'll see that. Okay, I have given one assignment. In order to click on, okay, in file print pop-up, I have given, okay, in order to click on print button in Chrome browser after entering google.com. For that you should know frames. Now I'm going to teach you frames. What do you mean by frames? What do you mean by frames? Till now we are seeing what? Okay, we have using only one web page. Okay, frames means, okay, a web page inside another web page is called frames. Okay, it is also called as embedded web page. What do you mean by that, sir? I'm not getting. What do you mean by web page inside another web page? What do you mean by that? Okay, we'll see that. How to create, we'll see that. Okay. One second, let me open one notepad. Okay, let me open one notepad. I will create two pages first. Page 1 and page 2. I will create two pages. Okay. This is page 1. Okay. What is there inside page 1 is I will give input type equals, okay, input type equals text. One text box I have created. If you want to give ID, yes, you can give any ID, class, name, anything you can give. This is what D1 or P1, anything you can use. save this file as page1.html. I will save this as page1. Okay, I will save this as page1.html. Okay, and I will go to desktop, save the file. Okay, save the file. Okay, see here, if I open this in the browser, you will have one text box. Okay, okay, I will give one text box name also, T1, something called T1. I will save this. If I refresh, I will get, okay, there is one text box called T1. There is a text box called T1. Okay, same way I will create one more. Okay, this is one web page. Assume that this is one page, one web page. It is having text box called T1. That's it. Nothing is. I'll create one more. Let me create one more. Let me create one more web page called page2.html. Okay, I will create one more web page. In that there is one more text box, that is T2. In that I will give input type equals, whenever you want to create any text box, type equals text here. If you want to create any checkbox, type equals checkbox. Okay, type equals text. Okay, type equals text. Then id equals D2. You can give name also. You can create with name. I will save this file. Okay, save the file in the desktop as page2.html. You can give any name, but try to create with the standards. If I open it, if I open this page2, it will have one text box called T2. So there are two web pages you have created. One second. Okay, two pages I have created. One is page1.html, one more is page2.html. Okay, two pages we have created. Now as per frames, I want to put this page to inside this page one. How to put for that developers they will use. Okay, let us go to page1.html. Whenever you want to put one page inside another web page, okay, then you have to use one thing called iframe. Tag name is what? Iframe. Or you can also use frame set. Normally use iframe. Okay, use iframe, and then you give that source src equals what is that? Page1.html. Page. I want to put page2 inside page1, so I'll give page2.html. Okay. Here, if you want to give the ID for this frame, yes, you can also give ID equals f1. ID equals f1. You can also give this. Okay, if I save this file, okay, now if I open page 1, page 2 will come inside page 1. See here, if I say, let me save this file. If I open page 1, you can see here, this is page 1 came inside page 2. If you want to come one after the other, use break. I will use break, BR. See here, let me use okay, one more BR so that it will looks good. Okay, see here. Okay, actually there are two pages here. One is, this is T1 is present in page 1, T2 is present in page 2. They are combined two web pages. Okay, that is what they have given here. See like this. In page 1 there are two pages. Okay, web pages inside another web page. Okay, is called as embedded web page. Developers create embedded web page using iframe. Okay. Now I can easily inspect both the elements. I can inspect this also, I can inspect this also, but control will be, but if I try to type ASP or QSP here, you can type QSP in T1 text box, but you cannot type JSP or anything inside T2 text box. Reason is it is present in different web page. For that you have to use one statement called, okay, you have to use one statement called driver dot switch to, like how we are switching the window now. Why we use the switch to for window? Because control will be present inside. Control will be present in main window. You have to switch to window. Like that, control will be present in main frame. You have to switch to another frame. How to? Okay, there is a method called frame. Driver dot switch to dot frame. Here you can give ID. Okay, means you can give integer, or you can give string as an ID. Anything you can. What are the things we'll see. Okay, we have to switch inside the frame first. After switching, then I can type it. Okay, after switching, then I can type JSP. After typing, again you have to come back, and then if you want to type anything here also, yes, you can do it. Okay, you have to switch. How we are switching between the windows, same way you have to switch between the frames. What do you mean by frame? It's an embed web page. What do you mean by that? A web page inside another web page is called as what? Embed. Okay, nowadays none of the companies were using this because of performance issue. Okay, none of the companies were using these frames because of performance issue. Okay, but still in interview they will ask you about the frames. How do you handle the frames? Are you guys getting?
Sir, can you explain
one example? I will take it. Yes, I will explain. Don't worry. I'll explain definitely. Okay. First, eye level. What do you mean by a frame? You should understand. Okay. A web page inside another web page is called what? Embed web page. It is nothing but a frame. Okay. Developers create embed web page using iframe tag. Okay. Few people they will use frame set also. Okay. Frame set. Either one they will use it. Okay, while automating the element, while automating any application, if it is present inside the frame, we should transfer the control into the frame. Means what? I want to type JSP here. I want to type JSP in T2 text box. T2 is present inside the frame. Means it is present in different web page actually. Means for that you have to transfer the control from here. This is main web page. This is frame. This T2 is a frame. This square you can see, no? One big square above T2, that is frame. Whenever you want to perform any action inside the frame, is it always text box? No, it can be button, it can be empty, anything. Okay, there can be inside the frame, any element can be present. Checkbox, radio button, anything. I have taken it as sample, I have taken it as text box. If you want to do anything inside the frame, from main web page, you have to transfer the control inside the frame. How to transfer the control? By using switch to dot frame. There is a method called frame. Okay, switch to dot frame statement we are going to use. Like same way how we are using what? Switch to dot window, same way we are going to use. Okay, let me repeat each and everything one more time. What I have done? Here, first thing is what? I have created one page. Okay, I have created one page. Okay, this is page 1.html. What is there? One text box is there. Only one text box. What is that? T1 text box. Okay, there is one more web page I have created that is called as T2 text box. Okay, inside page 2, T2 text box is there. In page 1, T1 text box. Both are different application or different web pages. Now what I am doing, I am going to put this page 2 in inside this page one. How I'm going to put? Okay, how I'm going to put by using. Okay, by using what? iframe tag. I have created one tag called iframe, and then by using attribute called src. If I give page to that page2.html, the page will come inside this page one. Okay, and I have given ID for that. Why it is equal, we'll see that later. Don't worry about those things. Only we have to remember iframe tag and src equals which page shall I put? Page 1 inside page 2? Yes. Use iframe here in page 2 and src equals page 1.html. Now it will come, okay, page 1 will come inside page 2. But I have not done like that. I have put page 2 inside the page 1. Okay, after that, if you open the browser, it will look like this. BR means break, next line. Whenever anything, if you want to come in next line, then you can use BR. Okay, now, okay, I can inspect both the text box. There is no harm in that. Only thing I can perform action only on the T1 text box. Means I can type only in T1 text box. I cannot type anything in the T2 text box because control is present in main window. If you want to type anything in the T2 text box, then you have to transfer the control inside this frame. This is called as one frame or inside the page. How to transfer? By using what? Driver dot switch to frame. By using driver dot switch dot frame step. By using this, we are going to switch. Frame is an overloaded method. It will take integer as an argument, okay, a string as an argument, and web element as an argument. What do you mean by that, sir? We'll see that. If I take one example, you will come to know. Are you guys getting? We'll see that. I'll take one example. One second, guys. Give me a second. I don't know why few people are coming. Okay, fine. It's not. Okay. Take down these notes. One second. Give me a second. Okay, put a heading called and link frames. Then take down this much. Please take down this much. Let me copy one static block. Why do we need static block? For easy maintenance, in order to put system.set property. Okay. Then open the browser. Okay. Before that, okay, let me tell you the scenario first. Okay, what I want is, see here, I want to type, okay, QSP in T1 text box and JSP in T2 text box. There are two text box in this page. In T1 text box, type QSP. In T2 text box, type JSP. Okay, now we'll see that. How to do this, okay? How to open the browser? Web driver is equal to new Chrome driver. Open the browser, done. Next, I want to enter the URL. Tell me how to enter the URL. Driver.get method. Driver is how do you what is the URL? In this one, few people will do this mistake. Okay, Always open it one time manually. Because what they will do now, they will do right click, properties, security, they'll copy this. No, no, don't do that. Open it, double click and open it in the browser. Go to the address bar. This is the address bar. Copy, control C, copy. Then paste it inside the get method. So that line number 11, open the browser. Line number 12, enters the URL. After that, I want to type QSP, inspect this T1 text box. Control is present in mainframe, so inspect it, no or we can type it. Right click, inspect. Tell me what should I use? ID is there, should I use ID?
Yes.
Yes. Shall I use XMARC? Yes. ID is what? D1. ID is what? D1. Tell me how to use ID and
Driver
type
find
QSP.
element
Driver dot find element
by
by
ID
dot, okay,
ID
I will type just I will select enter. Here I will
D1.
type D1. Then I want to type, so I will use what?
Send
Whenever you
keys.
want to type, you send keys. You know, already know this. I will give QSP. It will type QSP. Next, I will inspect this. Right click, inspect. This is the HTML code. Whenever you inspect, okay, scroll up and check whether any iframe is there or not. See, iframe is there. In that time, you have to switch, okay, the control inside the frame. See, if I move my mouse pointer to this iframe, see, this much is getting highlighted. Means it is present in different. Or if you see iframe means what? It's a different. Okay. iframe means what? It's a different frame. Or see, I will use this ID. ID is what? D2 for this. I will directly type it without switching. What happens? We'll see. Driver dot find element by dot ID. ID is what? D2.
D2.
Dot send keys.
JS.
JSP. See, if I execute, it will just type QSP. It will not type JSP. We'll see that. Let me execute. It will opens the browser, enters the URL, then type QSP. Then after that, type JSP. See here, it is typing QSP. Is it typing JSP? No. It will throw error. It will throw exception. It is telling that no such element exception. Even though you are given right ID. So reason is it is present in what? Different frame. It is present in different frame. You have to switch the control. Okay, you have to switch the control inside the frame. How to switch the control inside the frame? We'll see that. How to switch. Okay. Now the control is present in main frame. How to switch? Driver dot switch to dot frame. See here, there are 3 frames method. Are you able to see? So it's an example for method overloading. What do you mean by method overloading? Same name with different signature. Okay, here it is taking integer as an argument. Here it is taking string as an argument. Here it is taking web element as an argument. Integer. Okay, integer when a frame will start from 0. Integer index will start from 0. Integer means index of the frame. I will give 0. Okay, it will switch it, then it will type it. Now if I execute, it will type JSP. See, if I execute this program, it will type QSP also, it will type JSP also. I will repeat this program, don't worry, we'll see this first. Type QSP in T1 text box, JSP in T2 text box. See, both are typed. First it will type QSP by using normal driver.find element and by using send keys. Then we're using switch to statement for going inside this frame. After going inside the frame, then type JSP by using send keys. That is what we are doing here. See here, let us analyze this. Open the browser, done. In line number 12, enter the URL. In line number 13, we are entering the URL. Then typing, find the element. By using driver.find element, we are finding the element. After finding the element, I am typing QSP in T1 text. Then
Then the
transfer the control inside the frame by using index. If there is only one frame, then index will start from 0. Okay? Always remember, index will start from 0. If there are 2 frames, 0, 1. 3, 0, 1, 2, like that. Okay? After switching inside the frame, then I am finding the element, then typing change. Are you guys getting? Okay. First it will type QSP here, then it will type JSP. Okay. 1 second. I want you guys to take down this program. Here in this diagram, 2 frames are there. This is frame 1. Okay. This first one, first box, first small box is frame 1. The index is 0 for this. For this one, index is what? 1. If you want to go inside this second one, use index 1. If you want to go inside the first one, use index 0. Are you guys getting? In this case, if I use 0, it will go to first frame. If I use 1, it will go to second frame. Okay. Okay. Take down this program. If you want, you can take down the questions. I will tell you. Okay, that is not required for us. Okay, take it out.
Sir.
Yes, sir. Okay. One question she was asked me, sir, frame method is present in which class? I will ask you one thing. I'll ask you, we are using how to maximize the browser. Tell me.
Driver.
How to maximize the browser?
So driver.manage.window.maximize.
Driver. 1 second. Tell me how to maximize
Driver
browser. Driver
dot
dot Tell me correct.
Manage dot
Driver dot manage dot
Manage dot
window
Windows
window
maximize.
dot maximize. Tell me where is this maximize method is present? In which class maximize method is present?
driver class.
Okay, you tell me where this window method is present. That is not required for us. If you want to see, okay, sir. In interview, they're asking. They may ask you, sir. You may think like that. If you want to know the method, if you want to know the class, in which class window method is present, if you want to know which class maximize is present, you do like this. Okay, I will tell you. But that is not at all required. No one will ask. Put it in one reference variable. Driver dot window, driver dot manage. Put it in one reference variable called A. Return type it will give you. Here create local variables. Here manage method it is present in. Okay. Okay, this return type of manage method is what? Options class. Okay, window is present in window method is present in options class. Same way, I don't know where this maximize is present. I will do driver dot window dot. Okay, what is the return type of window? I don't know. Create local variable. Okay, it is present in window. Window is a return type of window method is window. Okay, maximize method is present in window. Same way, I don't know where this frame method is present. She asked me. That is not at all required, but still we'll see. Put it in driver dot switch to put it in one reference variable called A. Anything. Create local variable. Return type of switch to statement is target locator. Okay, so frame method is present in target class. Target locator is a class. Frame method is present in which class? Target locator. No one will ask. Either it can be a class or integer. Don't. Okay. What I want you to remember this statement. That is more than. Okay. Are you guys getting yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Sir, yes, sir. I understand.
Okay, fine. Okay, we'll go. Let us go to next level. Give me a minute. What we have done in the last example, we are typing what? QSP here, then JSP here. Okay, now I want to type JSP first. Okay, I want to type JSP first, then QSP. Okay, first because of some reason I want to type JSP here first, then QSP here. Okay, for that whenever you actually went inside the frame. Okay, I will remove this line number 14. If I remove this, I will go inside the frame and then I will type JSP. See, if I execute this code, okay, if I execute this code, it will type what? It will type what? JSP. Okay, it will type JSP inside the frame. Okay, it will type JSP inside the frame. Done. See, typing. Now I want to type QSP. Okay, for an example, if I type here, if I put that line number 14, here I'm using line number 14. Now, if I cut it and put it in line number 17, it will throw no such element exception. Reason is control is present inside this frame. You have to come out of this frame. How to come out? In order to come out, there is a statement called driver dot switch to dot default content. Okay, default content. Driver dot switch to dot default content, or you can also use driver dot switch to dot parent. come out and then it will execute. See, if I execute, first it will type, let me give red dots both the ways so that you can see it properly. That's it. Without red dots, will it work? Yes. Let me execute. If I execute this, first it will type QSP here, JSP here in T2 text box. Done. Wait for 2 seconds, then it will type JS, QSP. See? Okay. What is the meaning of parent frame? See here, this is frame and this outside one is the parent. Control will be always present in the parent. Okay, means for this T2, this T1 is the parent. This for this small box, this big box is the parent. Big box is the parent frame. This is the child. Okay. Are you guys getting? Okay. Either you can use default content or you can also use parent frame. Okay. There is a slight difference between default content and the parent frame. You can also use default content also like this. Default content. If I execute this, see it will work now. Okay. Then what's the difference, sir? Why they are giving two methods? We'll see that. First, okay, type JSP inside the frame. Okay. See, type come out of the frame, then type QSP. How to come out of the frame? Either you can use parent frame or you can use what? Default content. Both are same. Now let me give one scenario. Shall I use ID for the frame? See, what is this? I'm giving driver dot switch to dot frame. Okay. What is that frame 0? What is that 0 means what? What is the meaning of 0? Let me give you. 0 means this if in our example only one frame is there. Okay, that is page 2. In this example, frame 2 are there. So this will become 0. This will become 1. Okay, if you want to switch, okay, if you want to switch from this frame to this frame, come out of this first, then you have to go inside. How to come out of this? Either you can use default content or parent frame, then again switch inside by using what? Driver dot switch to dot frame 1. This is 0, this is 1. First small box is 0, second small box is 1. Like that, it will carry on. Okay, then what happens if one more frame inside this one? We'll see that also. That also we'll take it up. Different examples, I'll take it up. Now, what I want is, see here, now what I want is, I want to type, okay, I want to type here, okay, first I want to type Q, then go inside the frame, type J, come out of the frame, type yes, go inside, okay, type yes, come out, type P, character by character, like this I want to type. Because why I want to show you, now we are using index. How to use string, how to use web element, we'll see that. What is the meaning of that? We'll see that now. Okay, let me create a class, one more class. Frame 2, I will create a class called frames 2. one second. I created a class called frames2. Okay, one static block is done. Then in line number 12, open the browser. Line number 13, enter the URL. I don't want this red dot stick. Now you tell me what is the scenario. Scenario, let me explain one more time. Let me explain this scenario one more time. Okay, character by character, I want to type. Okay, first type Q. Go inside the frame. Type J. Come out of the frame. Type S. Go inside the frame. Again, type S. Come out of the frame. Type P. Go inside the frame. Type P. This is what I want to do. You tell me how to do this. I will just follow your guidelines. How to type Q, first of all. Inspect. ID is what? D1. You know the ID, D1. Am I audible first? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Tell me then. How to type Q?
By
What to
How to type Q? Driver dot in T1 text box. No need of switching. Control is present in main frame only, parent frame only. So no need of switching. You can directly type driver dot find element y dot id. ID is what? D1. Okay. ID is what? D1. You know, or you can inspect. D1. Dot send keys.
Send the case Q.
What's the send keys? I will give type. Done. Typing Q is done. Next, I want to type J inside the frame. Tell me how to type J inside the frame.
Then switch it to frame.
Yes, correct. Driver dot
switch to dot
Correct.
Switch
frame.
to driver dot
switch to dot
Frame
frame
dot
Zero.
frame. What is the index?
Zero.
Only one.
Zero.
After switching, I want to type J. So you know the ID. Driver. Is it always ID? Is it
No.
always ID now? No. You can use. Shall I use XPath? Yes. You can also use XPath also. Driver dot find element. Okay. By dot ID. ID is what? D2. You can inspect. You will get that ID.
Dot
ID is what?
send
D2.
keys.
Dot send is
J.
J. Again, I want to type.
Switch
Okay. Now
to
I want to type yes in T1 text box. Tell me how to type yes in T1 text box.
switch.
What is done? What is done? See here. What we have done now, it will type Q. Then go inside the frame. Okay, go inside the frame. Type J.
J.
Again, come out of the frame. Type yes. Tell me how to type. How to come out of the frame and type yes. Tell me how to come out of the frame. Yes,
Switch
correct.
to
Driver dot switch to
parent frame.
or parent. Anything you can use. Okay. How to type yes now? Driver dot same thing you copy. Driver dot find element. Okay. By dot id. What is id? ID is D1. Dot send keys. Send keys. Yes, that's it. Now again you have to go inside the frame. I want to type yes inside the frame. J is done. In T1, QS is done. Inside the frame, J is done. Now I want to type yes also inside the frame. Go inside. Driver dot switch to dot frame here. Now I will use, instead of using index 0, shall I use 0? Yes, you can use 0. I want to give ID. Sorry, I want to give the string. What string you can give? Inspect that frame. Inspect this frame. Right click inside any frame. You can give this ID also. See, for this frame, there is one ID called F1 in a string format. You can give this also for switching. You can give index that is 0, or you can give F1. How to give F1? Here, press F1. Driver dot switch dot frame F1. Now go inside in this. Now type how to type yes driver dot find element. Okay, by dot id. By dot id is what? ID is D2 dot send keys. Send keys is what? QJS. QSJS. Again, come out of the frame. How to come out of the frame? Either you can use driver dot switch to dot default content, or you can use parent frame. Anything is fine. Now type P. Okay, how to type P? Again, same. Driver dot switch to dot, not switch to, sorry, driver dot find element. Okay, by dot ID. What is the ID? D1 dot send keys. Here I will type P. Again, I should go inside the frame. Okay, how to go inside the frame? Driver dot switch to dot, okay, frame. Here now I want to give the web element. How to give the web element? How to give the web element? You can use this web element. Web element means what? Address. Address of the element. How to give? You can use here. Okay. Driver dot find element. Inside here only by dot xpath. You can, in xpath I can also give double slash I frame. Switching is done. Go inside the frame. After that you can type, okay, driver dot find element. Okay, by dot id. I will keep id is what? D2. I will explain the line number 25. Don't worry. I know that you are getting confused. What is that I am using? Dot send keys. Here I will type P. First I will execute. I will make sure whether it is working or not. By character by character we are typing. That's it. Okay. We'll execute. First it will type Q, very quickly it will execute. Q, J, yes, yes, P, P. Say Q, J, S, S, P, executed. Not able to see, sir. So what? I will give red dots. For that purpose, I will give red dots. Character by character, red dots. I will give 1 second, more than enough. 1 second. Let me execute now. We'll see. Character by character, it will execute. First, it will type Q in T1 text box. Then it will type J in T2 text box. J, yes, yes, P, here also P. Is it typing? Is it typing, guys? Here I have used in line number, okay, 30. I told you driver dot switch to dot frame method is a overloaded method. See here, if I press dot F, no, see here, it will take integer, means index of the frame, 0, 1, 2, like that. String means ID, name, like that. You can give any attribute. You can give any attribute, okay, as a string. There they were used one ID equals F1. So I'm using in line number where I'm using ID is F1 here. In line number 23, we are switching inside the frame by using what? ID of the frame. You have to use as a string. ID of the frame is what? F1. You have to use that. Next one. Next one is what? Web element. Web element means what? Address. How to find the address of the element? By using driver.find element. That is what you can directly use. If you're getting confused, you can use it in one reference variable outside. Like this you can use. Frame equals, you can use this. Return type is web element. You can pass this. return type is web element. You can pass here frame. FRAME frame. See here. Now also it will work. Okay, either you can use like this or you can. Here I am using XPath. Okay, iframe. What is that iframe XPath? Okay, or shall I use ID here also? By.id equals that frame. Yes, you can also use that also. ID equals if. I'm sorry. Only one frame is there. You can press Ctrl F // iframe. Can use this. See, it is getting highlighted. See, in blue color, it is getting highlighted. There also. Or // iframe, you can also use @ID equals @ID equals F1. Okay. Are you guys getting? Take down this program. Don't take red dot sleep everywhere. Take down this program. Number 32 and 31.
Yeah, 31 and 32. Yeah, sir.
Yeah, you want me to repeat that?
Yes, sir.
Do you want me to repeat? Okay, I will repeat. I will repeat this. First, take it down. Everyone take it. I will repeat. Once it is done, I will repeat. Once everyone is done, I will repeat that. Take it. Done.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Done. Everyone taken. Everyone others taken the program. Okay. I told you frame method is a overloaded method. Okay. Here in line number 17, I am passing integer. Means index of the frame. Index which starts from 0, 1, 2 like that. If there are 3 frames, 0, 1, 2. 4 means 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Like that. Like that same way, for an example, I can also give ID of the frame. Is it always ID? No, you can use name, class, any attribute. Any attribute you can use. Okay. That is what we are doing in line number 2. Same way, I can, hey, who is that? Go for it. Go for it. Who is that number? Who is that 707406080801? Who is that? Put your name.
Yes,
Or else
yes,
I
sir.
will
I
remove
will.
from the group.
Okay, sir. I will put it. Okay.
Go for him. Okay. Here I can give the string of a frame. Okay. I can give string as a frame. Okay. Either I can give what? I can give ID, name, or class name, anything like that. One more thing. Okay. One more thing is I can give web. Okay. I can give what? Okay. Web element as an argument. What do you mean by web element? And address. What do you mean by address? How to find the address? Address means finding the element. How do you find the element? By using driver.find element. By using this, okay, put it in on reference variable, then I'm passing this as an argument. You can use either one. Either we can use address or you can use integer as an index. Integer means index 0, 1, 2, 3 like that. Okay. Or you can also use string as a string of the frame means what? ID, name, class name like that. Any attribute you can use. Another option is you can also use web element also. Okay. Are you guys getting? Are you guys getting, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
Okay. Fine. Fine. Okay. Fine. You can give web element like this or string like this. Here we are passing string or integer. Integer means 0, 1, 2 like that. You can pass. Okay. You can see here there are two frames as I told you. Here one main frame, there are two frames. This is 0, this is 1. If I give 0, it will go inside first one. If I give 1, it will go to second. Same way, one more is there. Then in that case, what happens? You have to give 2. One more is there, 3. You have to give like that. Okay. Okay. There is one interview questions they have asked for you. See here. Now there is one page. In that there are two frames are there. This is frame 1 and frame 2. In that OK button is there. I want to click on OK button first. Then I want to click on Yes button. Tell me how will you do this? Normally control will be present in main frame. First thing is what you have to switch inside the frame by using driver.switch.frame. Okay, and see here. This is okay. This F2 is present inside F1. This F1 is present inside page 1. There is no relation between page 1.html and F2. Okay, few people will think that how to go directly they can go inside. No, that is not possible. This is what nested means frame inside another frame and that frame inside another frame. Okay, there will be difference between this one and this one. Okay, this is what? Two frames present in main page. Here, in this case, one frame present in one more frame and that frame is present in another page. Are you guys getting the difference? In this case, you have to use 0, 0 both. Driver.switch.frame 0, it will go inside. It will come here. Then from here, you have to go inside this. How to switch? By using driver.switch.frame 0. After that, you can click on OK. Okay, you can click on OK button. Then what happens? I will repeat this one more time. Now, after clicking on OK button, if I use default content, means it will come to main frame. Then you can click on Yes button. If I use parent frame, means it will come out of one frame inside. Means F2 who is the parent? F1. For F1 who is the parent? Page 1. If I use driver.switch.parent frame, means it will come one step out. If I use one more time driver.switch.parent frame, it will come one more step. Then I can click on OK. Okay, are you guys getting the difference between default content and the parent frame? Okay. For whenever you want to come out of the frame completely outside, then you can use default content. Means it will come to main page. Whenever you want to come one by one step, then you can use parent. Means one step. Who is the parent for this? It will come. Then after that, who is the parent for this? It will come. For going inside, shall I go inside directly inside? No. That is not possible. You have to switch one step by step. Switching inside step by step, one step. Outside you can come directly. What is this? I will see. Let me open a paint and then only I will see. One second. Just give me a minute. Just give me. Let me open paint. What is that? What is there? Yes. Okay. There is a page. Sorry. There is one page. One page is there. Done. Inside this page, one second. One page is there. Done. Next, inside this page, okay, there is a frame. One frame is there, like this. Inside this page, inside this frame, there is one more frame, like this. Okay. Inside this, there is a button. One OK button is there. This is button. Okay. That is OK button. The black color box is OK button. I want to click on that black color box button. Black color button. Or let me use another color. Okay. Okay. Okay button. Where control will be always present in page 1. Okay. There is one more in page 1. There is one frame. This is F1. This is F2. Okay. And now tell me how to click on OK button. You guys tell. How to click on OK button?
ఓకే సరే ఏంలే ఫస్ట్ ఓకే మేడం పేజ్ 1లో ఉండే మళ్ళీ ఫ్రేమ్ 1 ఫ్రేమ్
How to click on OK button?
So inspect the OK button and then step by step switch to the frame 1 and then frame 2.
First thing is go inside the frame. Okay. Go inside like this. How to go inside? Tell me how to go inside. How
Driver
to go inside? By
Driver
using
dot
what? By using
switch to
what? Issue dot frame. Okay,
frame.
see here and always remember whenever it is like this, this F2 is present in F1. This F1 is present in page
పేజ్
1.
1
Page 1 and F2 there is no connection. I cannot directly switch like this. This switching is not possible. This type of switching is not at all possible. You have to switch like this only first. After that, after switching again, you have to switch like this. Step by step, you have to use. Okay. One by one, step by step, you have to use. Okay. Are you guys getting? Step by step, you have to switch. Driver dot switch to dot, you have to use a statement. Okay. Driver dot switch to dot frame 0. One time. Again, after one more time, you have to switch. Driver dot. Few people will use driver dot switch to dot frame 1. No. Again, you have to 0 only. Okay. Because this is present inside this. Only one frame is present. F2 is present in F1. It is not two frame. Only one frame. For page 1, only one frame is present. That is F1. For F1, one more frame is present. That is F1. When it will become one, whenever there are two frames, like next to each other, one by one after the other. This is nested one inside. So you have to use like this. After that, click on OK button. Click on OK. Then how to come out of the frame? How to come out? Driver dot. Either you can use driver dot switch to dot default content. Or you can use driver dot switch to dot parent frame. One time. One more time. Driver dot switch to dot parent frame 2 times you can use. 2 times you can use. Like this. This is default content means what? Like this. come out. Directly come out. One step. Parent frame means who is the parent for this? This is the parent. Okay. Then again one more step. Like this. 2 times second. Are you guys getting? 1 second. Let's take on this step. Is it done?
Yes, sir.
Everyone done?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Just put a note. Put a note. 1 second. I want you to make a note of this. Take on this. Take a note. Note. Take on this note. Next you can leave for the day. Tomorrow we'll take up the assignment. Everything we'll do. If you have any doubts, we'll see you tomorrow. I'm going to wind up the class. We'll see you tomorrow. I have one more class, so that's why I need to go there. Okay. Tomorrow we'll see. Bye guys. See you.